cooking for my breakfast. I'm going to work by, I should be at work by 12 o'clock. The time now is 9:30. Yeah, I'm writing some blog and with the abrodero.com. Yeah, you can visit that www.abrodero.com. This time I am updating the travel because I stopped writing the blog. Yeah, I end the last blog I write was maybe last year, and these days I am updating it, so I'm a bit late, but it's okay. I'm describing the experience so you can have that experience too. Yeah, I don't know what I am cooking now, but I basically have this. Yeah, this is potato, onion. I put this now here, and I don't know what else I need to put there. Yeah, look, the fridge is empty. Tim Tams, there is maybe 2 pieces here. Cheese will be expired already. Look, expired on January 2, 2018. It's okay, mate. Nothing here. Sauces. Oh, in the freezer I have bread. I have frozen vegetable. Ice cream. It's more. Oh, not yet. Not yet. It's not yet more than 1 year. Almost 1 year. This is chicken. Yeah, we make a chicken soup. Chicken soup. Yeah, we're making a chicken soup with potato. Yeah, this is basically nothing in particular. Just experiment. I always do experiment, but not for the restaurant. Experiment for my own food, just to satisfy the hunger. The hunger. Chicken. This is basically a roasted chicken, leftover. Yeah, I bought it from Walmart. Yeah, just put it there. Put some water. Yeah, I just let it boil, and this one I put back here, and you will put back in the freezer. I was thinking maybe to put more vegetable. No, so it will be just like a chicken potato soup. Have you tried the chicken potato soup? And of course, we're going to put some chicken cubes. Yeah, put some salt and pepper. Yeah, and we'll just wait for that to boil, and later on that will be already cooked later. Yeah, because by 10 o'clock, no, by 10:30 I will be taking a shower, and then by 11 o'clock I leave the house and drive going to work. Going to work is just up to 15 minutes, but I want to stay in the park and relax there a bit. There is chance to make video, to see the people. Yeah, that's basically what I always do. I love people. I love seeing people. I am very shy person, but I love seeing people. But when they interact to me, I don't know what to say. I don't know how to start the conversation. Very shy person. Okay, just keep it boiling. Yeah, we'll come back later. We keep on writing this blog. At this time I am writing about Cambodia. Yeah, I've been to Cambodia, and not yet a big city. They're still improving the place. Yeah, it is boiling now. Yeah, I'm going to put some noodles. That tastes good. Yeah. But yeah, I still have some. Look at this. It's again drying. It's color yellow already. We just cut this. Wash, cut, and put them. It is boiling again. What else I need to put? Maybe put some dato puti. This will make this a little sour. Yeah, small quantity gives a big impact to the flavor, to the taste. And to be honest, I am going to eat it with rice. Oh, I don't have rice. Hey now, Arsenal, you a little bit. Okay, I will love you. There, I like it there, but I'm still a bit shy to talk in the camera in front of those people. Yeah, this restaurant is busy. If it's busy, means that the kitchen is busy. Some of them are shouting already, but not here in Australia. In my restaurant, nobody shouts. And now we are here in the crossing, and now heading to Woolworth. Yeah, we're going to buy some food. I didn't eat rice since morning. Yeah, this bok choy is $2.50. I'm going to take it. 2 pieces of potato, it's enough. No, 3, 4. Yeah, this small one. Yeah, 3 pieces is enough. This, and you know, this one is $3.50 per kilo. And you know, egg is very important. Yeah, and it's $3 per dozen. This is where you're going to find the breads. The prices vary, depends on the content of the bread. Yeah, and the color also. Like this one, soft white thick, is $2.80. And we're just going to take this one. Full meal, it's $1.50. Yeah. Now we're going to take the cheap one. This no, I don't like that. Yeah, this, I don't know how much is this, but I'm going to take it. It looks cheaper. And this section, most of the things that you're going to see are Asian food, but mostly are from Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Nothing is from the Philippines here. Yeah, Indian also here. There is nothing is coming from the Philippines, but it is okay, mate. And the rice, of course, I'm going to take rice. Yeah, you know, this 5 kg of rice is $11. The jasmine one, Australian jasmine, is $13. This one is the home brand jasmine, $11. But I'm going to take just this, the 2 kg. No, it's 1 kg. Yeah, it's 1 kg. 2 of this. 2 of this, because just one. Because that 5 kg is very heavy. I will take the big one next time. We're also going to take this oil. It's $2.25. Yeah. Yeah, look at this John West tuna. It's $2. But we're going to take just this, because this is just 90 cents per tin can. 1, 2, yeah, just 2. Cracked pepper and lime, and no, I don't like tomato basil. Maybe this Mexican. I don't know which one. Yeah, this chili. I am also going to take some of this frozen vegetable. It's $3. I am also going to take this. It looks like this one, but it's $3. Look, expensive. But this one, it's a home brand. It's just $1.50. I'm taking it.